Welcome back to the EquiTalks. I'm your host, JC De Guzman. In the EquiTalks program, I discuss my stock analysis for a particular stock and then I give you my overall sentiment and recommendations or trade setups. So if you've missed the previous episodes, I encourage you to visit our website at www.equilist.com and you spell that as EQUILYST.com and then click on Learn. Then you will have three options. You can watch our videos, listen to our podcasts, or read our case notes for each episode. Again, we are now on the 15th episode, and today I'd like to talk about Anglo-Philippine Holdings Corporation with a stock code of APO. It has no dividend announcements. I've already checked it on edge.pse.com.ph. So let's go straight to the chart of APO. As of the time of checking APO's last price is at 0.88. It failed to sustain its ascent above the previous resistance at 1.14. It's now one fluctuation higher to the immediate support at 0.88. I actually covered APO in my top 5 gainers and top 5 losers analysis video for the Equilist Analytics subscribers yesterday, and I gave a warning that our clients should consider profit taking to do some profit taking near 1.14. And I also reminded them that it's either they sell at once or they sell in tranches or simply follow their trailing stop loss so that they won't get wiped out too early in the game, just in case APO will do another ceiling play just like how SOC Resources did 1 or 2 days ago. So there you go. So now the acting immediate support of APO is still at 0.88. Resistance is at 1.14. But if APO will close below 0.88 today, then 0.88 will act as its immediate resistance, while 0.72 will be its immediate support once again. Well, that has been its immediate support since, until Monday, right? Until Monday. By the way, today's tall red candlestick came with a much taller volume than yesterday's volume. And that means to say that today's volume is obviously above the 10-day volume average. So when I see a red candlestick with a volume that's above the 10-day volume average, to me, that means the downward direction of the stock is more likely to continue. Therefore, for me, APO might just continue to move sideways to just continue trading the range as it has been this way for the longest time. And that range is between 0.72 to 0.89. Okay. I'm not going to cite what I see on MACD because of the recent erratic fluctuation of the price. Then we're not going to see quote unquote uh, normalized um, direction of the MACD line relative to the position of the signal line. Um, One more thing in the RSI, yesterday it already hit the overbought uh, territory. So that was one signal that I considered yesterday in giving my clients an advice to consider doing some profit taking near 1.14. Because of that erratic fluctuation, it elevated APO's risk level from low to an extremely high risk stock due to its historical volatility score of 282%. Now, let me just give you a tour on this stock's price volume distribution. Again, its last price is still at 0.88. Net foreign transaction is pegged at 360,000 pesos worth of net foreign buying. Now, for the range that got the biggest volume and the highest number of trades, this is what I'm going to tell you next. Um, the closing price or the last price of 0.88 is closer to the intraday low than to the intraday high, and the range that got the biggest volume and the highest number of trades is between 0.88 all the way to 0.98. 0.88 all the way to 0.98. There's another range that also got relatively higher volume and higher number of trades, and that's between 1.0 all the way to 1.05. Okay, so my overall sentiment for APO is bearish. Our clients should have already done some profit taking yesterday or early this morning. The opening within the first 15 to 30 minutes. My recommendation is just to wait for the price to re-enter the 0.70 to 0.89 range, and this stock might just continue trading this range once it enters that zone. So don't hurry, don't enter a new position just yet. Be on a wait and see mode. Lots of things might happen from here on, so make sure that you reevaluate and don't forget to consider the current volume, the prevailing volume, before you come up with a final data-driven decision for your trades. Okay, again, this is the 15th episode of the EquiTalks, and just in case you're interested to get more of our services, I'd like to encourage you again to visit our website at www.equilis.com. Click on services, click on subscription, and read those 3 pages within the subscription menu. We have the trade setups for short-term traders, we have the investment guide for long-term investors, and we have the stock market consultation. So you get all 3 when you subscribe to our services. All right, and if you'd like to attend my seminars or workshops regarding my proprietary strategies in trading the market, click on the seminars and then you will see our scheduled seminars near your area. Again, thank you for listening, watching, or reading our 15th EquiTalks episode. If you like this one, please make a comment. Write a comment or either on YouTube or on SoundCloud or wherever you're reading this one or listening to this one or watching this video. Leave a comment. You can also tell me which stock you'd like me to cover next. Again, my name is JC De Guzman. Have a great day.